Howdy folks, Brett here with episode 3 in this series where we take a look at useful, amazing, interesting, and fun websites. The first of which is Entertrained. This useful site helps to improve your typing by letting you type famous novels while also enjoying classic literature. The first time using it, I recommend doing the tutorial. After doing the tutorial, select a book. They're all free. Let's go with The Great Gatsby. Then click on Start. If you type any of the letters incorrectly, those letters will turn red. At any time, here in the top right, you can see how much of the book you have typed, the words per minute, and your typing accuracy. You may have noticed a trend recently, if you travel a lot, that hotel bathrooms are becoming less private, either removing traditional doors completely or separating with glass walls. Guests are not happy with this, with headlines such as, "We're experiencing a bathroom privacy crisis in hotels now. Experts explain why." Hotels are getting rid of proper bathroom doors, and guests are revolting. And no door, no privacy. Travelers are fed up with hotels' open bathroom trend. That's where the website Bring Back Doors comes in handy, since you can't rely on the hotel's website or travel apps to give you the proper information. To use the site, select Search Doorless Hotels. You can search here by hotel name, city, or country. Let's go with New Orleans. On the results page, it'll show you the privacy percentage. If there is a door, the type of door. If you enjoy having privacy, you should probably avoid the Hyatt property, the Barnett, which has zero privacy, no door, no wall, or wall with a window. Hacker Typer is a great site to play a prank on your friends to make them think that you're a super hacker genius with amazing typing skills. Just hit any of the keys on your keyboard and it will show predetermined code. At some point, after when enough code has been typed, press Alt on your keyboard and you'll get the message, "Access granted." Now they'll think you're some genius hacker like in the movies. There's a lot of websites like this. The site, Hacker Typer, is the original. GetHuman is for those of you that get aggravated calling up customer service for a company and having to navigate through the phone prompts before you get the chance to speak to an actual human. The site gives you the steps to get to a human more quickly, saving you time. Enter the name of the company. Let's go with the cable and internet provider, Comcast. Select it from the drop-down menu. While GetHuman will offer to make the call for you for a fee, it does give you the steps to do it on your own. For example, with Comcast, press £0 each time it asks for a phone number, then wait. For existing customers, you must always enter the last 4 of your social security number that belongs to the account holder, then press 1, then 2. That sounds pretty simple. Here's a fun one. Find the Invisible Cow is a simple web-based sound game where players move their cursor or finger across a blank screen, using audio cues to locate a hidden cow. To begin, select Start Game.
Cow, 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 cow. Moo.
10,015.io is a free online tool website where you can get all the tools you need in one place in various categories without having to go to different sites. Each tool is designed to solve a problem with a minimum number of steps needed to save time for the user. There are tools to use with text, image tools to resize an image, a color picker, and various converters, tools for working with CSS. There are tons of coding tools, color tools, and a whole lot more. If you get their extension from the Chrome Web Store or as an add-on for Firefox, these tools are easily accessible in your browser's sidebar. Next up is Down for Everyone or Just Me. There may be times when you're not able to access a website, service, or app where your internet is having the problem, so it's just you and not everyone else. I prefer this to other sites like Down Detector and the others. So let's say I was having trouble with YouTube, so I'll enter that into the box and select it from the drop-down menu. It says, no, we're not detecting any problems with YouTube right now, and it shows the last outage detected was back on February 23rd. Let's go with one I know is down right now. That would be Grok. It says, yes, we are detecting problems with Grok that began 24 minutes ago. And if you're having a problem with it, below you can select the type of problem you're having. When you scroll down, there's a graph showing outage reports by users over the last 24 hours. And below that, recent reports by users, which shows the country where the user reported the problem and the issue they're having. Pixel Thoughts is an interesting site I mentioned in another video a while back that deserves to be mentioned in this series. It's a 60-second meditation tool. Just enter into the box what bothers you and watch as your stress goes away. So let's go with Dirty Hippies. Then click on Done. Worn on TV is great for finding the exact or similar clothing of your favorite characters from TV shows and to find out where they get their outfits from. You can do a search for a show here at the top. Let's go with The Lincoln Lawyer. There it is. In the drop-down menu, you can select a specific episode, and to the right of that, you can select a character if you want. I'll select that brown jacket. This will let you know the episode it was worn on, along with who wore it. And below that, it shows you where you can buy it. For this one, there's an exact match, and another that is similar, which is the same brand, but a different color. That price is crazy expensive, so I'll be passing on this one. Radio Garden is a cool website I mentioned years ago in another series that's worth showing in this one as well. This free interactive site allows you to listen to more than 1,000 live radio stations worldwide by spinning a 3D globe. In the lower left corner, it says that there's 15 stations here in New Orleans. Clicking on it shows the available stations to listen to live. You can use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. So let's zoom out here. And you can left click and drag using your mouse. So let's zoom in here. Let's go to Italy. Clicking the green dots indicates towns and radio stations. Looks like this is Bologna, Italy, and there are 16 stations. You would just need to click on one of the stations to play it. Movie Map is a movie recommendation system that will help to offer you other suggestions that they think you would also enjoy. Let's do a search for John Wick and select it. The closer to the film you entered, the more likely you are to like it. It's not perfect, but good enough when you're trying to find a movie to watch. Account Killer is a super useful website for those times you need to delete online accounts and personal profile information. It gives you step-by-step instructions for doing so on most of the popular platforms. Let's go down here to Get Started, and I'll enter into the box Facebook. Select How to Cancel Facebook. This will give you information about the company. Below that, the account information you'll need to gather, along with the step-by-step instructions. While this guide was written more than 5 years ago, I just double-checked and the steps to cancel are still the same. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description. If this video was useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. If you know of any websites we should mention, let us know about them in the comments without any links. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit that bell to not miss out on our latest videos and our powerful website series right here on Brett in Tech.